Saturday morning with Cora. I'm trying to stay warm and think spring. Yeah. Well, I got up early this morning and I'm watching the news, and every day on the news it's been the warning for the blizzard on the East Coast, mind you. Started Monday. Warning, warning, warning. Stock up, stay home. Warning, warning. So I get up this morning and I turn on the national news and they go, it's terrible here. There's a half-a-mile visibility. Really? That's a blizzard? A half-a-mile visibility. I tell you what, when you live in North Dakota, you go outside, you put your hand in front of your face, and if you cannot see it, that's a blizzard. Now, mind you, they got a lot of snow, and they don't know how to drive in it, and you shouldn't be. I understand that. And they've been telling people, stay home, stay home. So on the news today, honest to God truth, in Kentucky, they said that there were 3,000 cars stranded on the road. 3,000 idiots that didn't listen to stay home. Now, one of the ladies that they interviewed, on the phone, said that she had her 2 young children and her diabetic father with. And she was complaining that no one was out there bringing her anything to eat or drink. Do they think that Domino's will come out and deliver? Excuse me? Stay home means stay home. Yeah, why should everyone else be stupid and risk their life to bring you a pizza? Oh, the trouble is she's yelling and mad that no one's helping her out. Back in my day when I was too stupid to be and was out on the roads, and I had to learn the hard way. Yeah. And we went in the ditch or got stranded. It was like, oh my God, my mom and dad are going to murder me. It's different up here. But, they did give advice on what to do for safety in a situation if you go in the ditch or you're stranded. Yes. Do you know who they got the information from? Someone from Minnesota. Yep. They think that us up here in the north are hicks and not too smart. But we know when stay home means stay home. Yeah. And if we don't, we use some cross-country skis or a snowmobile. Yeah. And make sure we get to the local tavern and just stay there. So, pray for them, because they're too stupid to be on those roads. And stay warm. Till next time.